Hello, coffee aficionados and tech enthusiasts. Welcome to a very exciting episode where today we're exploring a groundbreaking piece of coffee making gear, the xBloom Studio Coffee Maker. This isn't just any coffee machine, it's the ultimate machine for specialty coffee, seamlessly integrating a grinder, brewer, and scale into one intelligent design. Join us as we delve into what makes the xBloom Studio a must-have for any coffee lover. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before starting the video, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for our upcoming video. Talking about the design, the xBloom Studio comes in two elegant colors, midnight black and moonlight white. The build is both sturdy and sleek, and its compact dimensions ensure it fits perfectly in any kitchen. The materials used are food-grade plastic, silicone, stainless steel, and aluminum, ensuring both safety and durability. The xBloom Studio features an intuitive multi-knob control and LED matrix display. This makes navigating through its features and settings a breeze. Whether you're using it in Autopilot, Copilot, or free solo mode, the UI is designed to enhance your brewing experience. Let's dive into the 3 levels of automation. First up, Autopilot Mode. This is where convenience meets perfection. Just touch a button and enjoy a perfect cup of coffee every time, with recipes crafted by professional roasters using XPods. In Copilot Mode, you have the freedom to use your favorite beans and tailor your own recipes through the intuitive xBloom app. Watch as the machine brings your unique blend to life. Giving you full control over every aspect of the brewing process. Lastly, free solo mode offers the ultimate hands-on experience. With the intuitive UI at your fingertips, you can pour, brew, and savor your coffee one ritual at a time, perfect for those who love the art of coffee making. The xBloom Studio boasts an all-purpose grinder with 80 grind size adjustments, ensuring precision from espresso to cold brew. The intelligent brewer features a kinematic spout for consistent, directional flow, and the high-precision scale is accurate to 0.1 gram, making it perfect for exact measurements. With the xBloom app, you can share and manage recipes effortlessly. It's a digital companion you won't want to brew without, offering tools for recipe creation and real-time visualization to refine your coffee-making skills. The xBloom Studio is designed for consistent performance, ensuring each brew faithfully reproduces the intended flavor profile with precision. The machine's modular design and innovative technologies, like the IceMax cooling and heating systems, make it a versatile and indispensable tool for any coffee enthusiast. So there you have it, the xBloom Studio Coffee Maker, the ultimate machine for specialty coffee. If you're looking to elevate your coffee game, this is the product for you. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Enjoy your coffee and peace out.